guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we about to get this exhaust mod installed. I like to experiment with different technology, and you guys know I said I did not want to do a muffler delete. I mean, I did not want to cut anything off of my car. There's nothing wrong with it. I did a muffler delete on my other Chargers. So I understand the whole thing about getting a muffler delete, and it sounds good and it's cheaper. But on this car, I did not want to cut the muffler. I did not want to cut my mufflers off. Probably wait to do a full exhaust system, because what I plan to do is a full exhaust system. Probably end up with the full Scatpack boiler attack exhaust or the boiler S-type exhaust. So I'm still trying to make a decision on which route I want to go, but I found an alternative to cutting off your mufflers. You don't have to do a muffler delete, because y'all already know, I've said it many times in my other videos, I like the way this car sounds stock, and especially when you put it in sport mode or track mode, because it opens up the valves, and that's how you get that deep sound. But when it's in eco mode, it don't sound like that. You can kind of barely hear the exhaust. Unless you stomp it, you can hear it. So I found a device that you can hook up. It only take a few minutes to install, and your exhaust valves will be open all the time, you know, because these cars have the active exhaust, and when you're cruising in eco mode and stuff like that, it closes the exhaust off, and I do not want that to happen. I want to be able to hear my exhaust at all times without having to do a muffler delete. So I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of talking, man. I'm about to find a spot now to try to get this installed. Really, I can do it myself. It only take about 10 minutes to plug and play. But right now they're doing the driveway, and I have nowhere to go to jack my car up and get under there and do what I need to do. So I'm gonna go up here to the shop. I got somebody that's willing to put my car up on the lift, make it easier to get to everything I need to do. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can order this if you want to do the same thing to your car. So I'm done talking. Let's get right to this install, man. Let's go. All right, guys, it's the next day, and I'm about to get this thing installed. How you doing? All right. Oh, it's a key. So yeah, I had to bring it up here to get this installed. So they're gonna take care of it real quick. I'm at Maryland Mufflers. Like I said, I would do it myself, man, but I cannot. I can't even get in the garage right now. So y'all hear how it sound now. It should sound the exact same way. Just when I'm on eco mode, the valves aren't closed. They should stay open. So we're gonna see. Goes right here. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here because I didn't get to show you guys exactly what he's installing, and this is also the instructions on how to install it, so you can pause it and kind of look at it, read it, and get an idea of what he's doing.
Do you struggle with occasional nerve aches, weakness, or discomfort in your hands or feet? Try Nerve Root from the world's #1 selling nerve care company.
I think you gotta sit tied up here. Yeah.
Nerve aches, weakness, and discomfort, and B-complex vitamins to support healthy nerve function as you age. Live your life with less nerve discomfort. Provide nerve relief. Learn more at
Let me go outside. So plugs in right here, real simple. Do it on both sides, and this is the caps to cover up the actual where the active exhaust connects at. Hope y'all can see that. It's the same on both sides. Now we got a zip tie the other wires somewhere so it don't not dangling. This is just an alternative to deleting your mufflers. The mufflers right there. And you got the resonators right here. Definitely gonna get the black tips. Do y'all sell the 5-inch black tips here? Huh? Do you have the 5-inch black tips here? You don't hear? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, definitely gotta get that. So, looks like he two-way zip tie the joints. Okay, you got a zip tie right up there, out the way. Y'all can see that. Again, the mufflers. Didn't delete my mufflers. Everything else solid. So now I should be able to have my car in eco mode and my valves are open. Like I told y'all, man, I ain't want to delete nothing yet. Maybe after my warranty is up, I may do a full Scatpack exhaust. But right now, this should be perfect. Because I like the way the stock exhaust sound anyway. So we're going to see how it sounds now. Hopefully we don't throw no code. It only took maybe 5 minutes to connect it. Start her up, see what she sound like. Yes, indeed. Don't sound good to me. Hope y'all can hear. I'm right here on the highway. You're gonna give it a couple of revs. Hit it for me. There you go. Don't sound good. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. Appreciate it. Like I said, man, it don't sound good, man. I don't need to delete the mufflers. But there's nothing wrong with it, like I always say. I understand why people do it, but that's loud enough for me. Leave your comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. So I'm about to check out. All right, guys, so no check engine light, nothing. Think we're good to go. My car should sound the same now, regardless if it's in sport mode, track mode, eco mode. It should sound the same regardless now. And like I said 100 times, I like the way the stock exhaust sounds. So leaving it in auto, I can hear it already. Because normally when it's in auto, hold on. Normally when it's in auto, you can barely hear the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? And I can definitely hear it now. I can hear this joint now. Yes, indeed. I can hear this joint the whole time now. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. I don't want to have to put it in a certain mode to hear my exhaust, bro. I want to hear that joint all the time. And I'm pretty sure it sounds louder outside than it do inside the cabin, and I just rolled my windows up. So it's just an alternative, guys. If you don't want to cut your mufflers off, I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can go and you can order these, man. It just basically make the car think that you trick the computer to have the valves open all the time. You know what I'm saying? Leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think. I ain't gonna make this video too long. I'm about to head up here and ready to wash this car. So if this is your first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Because the main goal, guys, is to get the car to sound deep and loud outside the car.